Deep in the darkest corner of the universe, there is a monster hiding in the shadows. This is not a planet. This is not a star. It is a cosmic engine that destroys everything it touches. Astronomers call it the Supermassive Kerr Black Hole. And unlike other black holes that sit still, this one is spinning, and it is spinning at nearly the speed of light. Imagine stirring a spoon in a cup of thick honey. The honey spins along with the spoon. This black hole does the same thing to reality. It creates a phenomenon called frame dragging. The gravity is so intense that it literally grabs the fabric of space and time, twisting it into a violent vortex. Even if you could stand perfectly still near it, the space around you would still be moving faster than light. Surrounding the darkness is the accretion disk, a ring of superheated gas and dust. The friction here creates temperatures of millions of degrees, hotter than the core of our sun. Anything that enters this disk is ground into dust and converted into pure energy before it even reaches the center. It acts as a lighthouse of death, shining brightly across the entire universe. But this monster doesn't just eat, it also attacks. Because of its insane rotation, it launches massive jets of plasma from its poles. These beams are cosmic sniper rifles, blasting through the galaxy for thousands of light years. They vaporize planets, stars, and anything else unlucky enough to be in their path. But the true horror lies inside. What happens if you fall in? As you cross the event horizon, reality begins to shatter. You wouldn't just be crushed. You would experience extreme time dilation. To you, falling takes seconds. But looking back, you would see the universe outside aging millions of years in a single blink. You would watch the stars burn out and the universe end, right before you disappear forever. Some places are not meant to be found. Subscribe for more cosmic horrors.